guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've been here before. Today I want to reorganize my closet because I currently have my closet organized by color. Sort of. It is sort of organized by color, but then I have like some random cardigans up here, and I just don't really like seeing like such a big thing of white and such a big blob of like black. So what I want to do is I want up here to be all of my long sleeves and cardigans, and then down here like all of my short sleeves, but then still have it organized by color. So basically I'm gonna pull everything out and then put everything back, and maybe just leave some stuff out once I get it out. So let's do that. Let's get started. I should take down the top ones, or the bottom ones first. My little basket. This has like a bunch of different like clothing accessory things. Nipple covers, crop tuck, belts, that kind of stuff. See, I kind of started already hanging up all of my cardigans like on top, but I really want them organized by color. How do you guys organize your closets? I'm so curious. I'm definitely a by color kind of person. I often know what kind of vibe I'm going for, like what kind of color, especially since like a lot of times I do my makeup to match. By the way, in case you guys were wondering, this is just tops and cardigans. Like the closet goes back, it's probably like double this size. It goes back here, and that's where all of my dresses, rompers, jumpsuits, all of that is like back here. Probably gonna start with white and end with black. I think that's how I want to do that. Okay, so I am first gonna hang up these three like kimonos, cover-ups, whatever you want to call them. I'm gonna hang the longest one up first. That way hopefully less things catch on it. Now I have to find all of my white cardigans and long sleeves. That is the mound of clothes that we're looking at right now. And that. And don't mind my makeup brushes. All of my makeup brushes fell when I was getting ready to film this. We'll start there. Two more. We have a jacket and a long sleeve. Okay. More. I am getting rid of stuff. You'll see that later. I'm really debating this one. It's like just a long sleeve cream top. I'm almost thinking maybe I should like wear it, keep it like for work, but take it out of my closet because I don't think I'm ever gonna wear it. And then we have this one with like cute little bows on it. I'm putting that towards the end because it has like rainbow bows. And then same with this one, it has like rainbow on it. Okay, now I think the order I had it in down here was pink next. So we're gonna do pink. I'm not quite sure where to put this. Maybe in purple, since it's gonna hang like this. I'll probably put this one with purple. Or know what? No. Okay, I'll put it right there with the other two like rainbow ones. I have one more rainbow one to put with those. Okay. Next, pink. Oh my gosh, the hangers just keep going through everything and it's stressing me out. Stressing me out. These are all pink. Lots of different shades of pink. I'm so worried that I'm actually not going to have enough room for all of this. That's not pink. What am I doing? I grabbed the wrong thing. Pink. Not black. I think most of my purple shirts are actually long sleeves. I actually don't have that many long sleeve pink shirts. Okay. Next, purple, which is most of them. I am a purple girly, I guess. When it comes to long sleeves, that's really over half of my purple shirts. I really don't know if we're gonna have room. So, that can get scooted. Blue. Luckily the blue I think is pretty minimal. Not a lot going on in blue land. Okay, green. Here's two greens. I can probably get rid of this. I don't really wear it. It's a two-piece, like from Shein. I'm gonna set this aside. I may or may not get rid of it. Lots of green. Oh goodness. Lots of green as well. And see, I was fitting most of this down here too. Like, that's crazy. Because like this, look at how much my long sleeves and cardigans take up. Like, it takes up so much room. So that's that. I think that's everything. I may find more stuff, but that's actually like so cute. Oh, and then we have black. Which, there is another one over there. I want this one first because it's the cutest. And this one. And then I have one more. There is so many weird noises happening. Anyway. I suppose I probably should hang this up. In between the brown and the yellow. The amount of things that might end up with holes after this video, I swear. Y'all, I skipped the pile on the floor. Oh no, how did I not realize I was missing like so much? Like all of my gray and red. Okay. Hang up the gray. The red will go after the orange. So much more black. Like actually a ton of black. Okay. I know black is like a necessity, you know, very much a necessity, especially for me personally. But at the same time, I don't like opening my closet and seeing like a bunch of black, which is the whole reason for doing this, is so I don't have to see a bunch of black. I want to see pretty colors and like, yeah, cream. This is definitely cream. So this is cream. Make sure to keep my Dicky colors together. I want those to stay together. Ah, I should have taken before pictures. Found a white shirt. I'm gonna keep these hot pinks together. Oh, cute little white tank top. Okay. I also like the way these are laying down at the bottom now. I know you guys can't like see it, but because all of the cardigans are up here, it's not like, there's nothing like draping on the ground down here. Or find it. It's definitely going off, but nothing of importance. What time is it? A lot of cute denim stuff that I just never wear, guys. If you want to do something fun, like this video, and I will try on all of my clothes that still have tags on them. There's a lot more than I'd like to admit. Obviously, not all of those are like brand new tags. Some of them are like Goodwill tags and stuff, but still. There are a lot of clothes that I got thinking, I'll wear this someday. And then they still have the tag on them. Okay, on to green. Like this top is brand new from Goodwill. Well, not brand new, but it's from Goodwill and it still has a tag on it. Now I just got that one, but I am really excited to wear it. That one probably won't have the tags on it for very long. I have like yellow, beige, and brown, and I don't have a lot of any of those. So like this is yellow, beige, and brown all together. How cute is this top? I thrifted this top from Poshmark. Actually, no, not this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So only 2 of these right here are not thrifted. And the 2 that weren't thrifted, I got from bargain bins. So they were like Target overstock. So I didn't pay full price for literally any of those tops. Okay, and then I have a couple of like florals that I usually keep like past this point. Got my florals. This is thrifted. This is thrifted, and this was from Shein. I have one red top. I don't wear a lot of red. How did I do this? Black and then gray? black and then gray. Here's all of my black tops. And I have 2 of the exact same t-shirt in here because I love it so much that I needed 2 of them. The closest I get to gray is this like acid wash. And that's literally everything. Oh my gosh. I know it's not a lot. We have this AC/DC sweater. I like never wear this. Yeah, like ever. It's oversized on me, but I still don't wear it. I have these shirts, which are the exact same. I got these from Bargain Bins. And like, to be honest, I've worn them both a couple of times, but they're really just not my style. I'm debating this one. I'll probably put this one back in the closet because it's brand new. This one I did buy brand new. It's just like the texture of it. It's like very thick. And I don't know, I'm just not about it. Like I showed you guys that. This Scooby-Doo shirt I'm probably going to keep, but I'm taking it out of my closet. And then this Gap plain black t-shirt. I just don't need another one. I'm excited. I wish I would have taken it before. This is my closet. All done. Got your whites and creams, pinks, purples, some blue, green, yellow, red. I love it. Don't you just love a little like rainbow of color? More rainbow of color. I feel like it looks a little sadder down there just because like the light. There's my Squishmallows. But oh my gosh, so cute. I'm literally so excited. Thanks for coming along on this little journey of redoing my closet. I'm very happy. I feel a lot better about it. And to be honest, I feel like I could almost fit some shoes down there because I feel like I have so much space underneath this. I feel like I could actually store some shoes in there, which I need. I need a little bit more room for some shoes. So I like that it feels like I can actually store some stuff down there now if I need to. So yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope maybe it got you motivated to organize your own closet. If you did enjoy this video, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel while you're here. I'd greatly appreciate that. And who knows, maybe if I make it to my goal of 5,000 subscribers by the end of 2025, maybe I'll try on my entire wardrobe and do like a mass getting rid of stuff. I post new videos every single week, usually on Saturdays, sometimes Sundays, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!